Greetings! In this quick video, I want to show you how to use SpotShot in order to get up any tough stain, whether it's a pet stain or a laundry stain, on your carpet. And I've been using this stuff for at least 20 years. I swear by it, and I would not use anything else. I love it. And they're usually at Walmart or at a grocery store, they're usually around $7 to $8. Depending on where you get it. Online, they're about $10. I'll put a link in the comment section if you don't already have one. But it's basically an aerosol spray, and it's amazing. So we're going to get up this nasty pet stain, and the culprit is over here. He's Mickey, and he's 15 years old. Yeah, he knows. He knows. And we're going to go ahead and get it up. Now, in order to use it, first thing you do is just shake it. And I think my method is a little bit different than others. So the only thing you're going to need with my method is your foot, with a shoe or slipper on like this, just your foot, and a roll of paper towels. It could be cheap, it could be Bounty, it could be the expensive ones, but you definitely need paper towels to soak. We're going to do 3 steps to this. First is to spray and let it soak. The second step is to actually soak it into the paper towels. And the third one is we're going to wipe it. That's the final touch. All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to liberally spray it thick. All right. All right. You want to make sure it is soak. All right. And I got a few other little small spots here and there I want to touch up. As you can see here, I got some up here. Now, this step is very important. You want to let it soak for a good 5 minutes, 10 minutes. If you go away somewhere for 20 minutes, that's fine, but you want to make sure it's still soaked and wet to the touch by the time you come back, because that's where the magic happens. So what's happening is the SpotShot is being absorbed into the stain itself. It's marinating in there. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. So this is the SpotShot is soaked through into the stain. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to get your paper towels, and I'm going to get about, you could do 2 or 3, but I want to go ahead and go with 3. And this is where the paper towels and your foot come. Now you could fold this, right? So it's really several layers, and what you're going to do is you're going to place it on one. And so if you got other stains, I got smaller ones, so I'm going to do a little smaller piece here. And then I want to go over here, and I want to doctor up a few areas. All right. Now, I'm going to get my foot, and I'll put my whole weight onto it like this. And I want to stand on it for a good 40 seconds to a minute. And then if you got stains beside each other, what you could do is use one foot and go on one while you're stepping on the other. And you could see it's already working. So if I lift my foot, look at that. So it's basically absorbing the pet stain or whatever stain that you have. All right, so that's one. That's gone. I pretty much used that. If it's only like on part of it, I could fold it again and try to reuse it. But that one's pretty much dirty. So let's go ahead and get another one. I'm going to fold it again. And so you get the picture. It's getting, the stain is getting less noticeable. You know you're done when it's not picking up any more stain. And then what you're going to have to do after that is you're going to have to reapply the spray again. And it could take 2 or 3 times, depending on how bad the stain is. So, let's go ahead and spray it again. Now, we're going to come back in another 5 to 10 minutes, and we'll let that sit in there for longer, and I want to treat my other stains. Okay, it's been 10-15 minutes. You can see the SpotShot is working its magic after the first time that we applied it. Now let's go ahead and do it again. it looks like it's only going to take 2 sprays. Sometimes it might take 3, but usually only 3 at the worst. So 1 step here, and this on my smaller ones. And again, I want to keep the weight of my body on to the paper towels for a good 40 seconds to a minute as it soaks up more of the stain that's in the carpet. If I lift up, it's doing an amazing job. Now, this has got most of the stain on the top layer, which is what you want. It's what you do. Once you're complete, you get a paper towel, another clean paper towel, and what you're going to do is, once you got as much as you can by absorption, this is the 3rd step. You're going to actually rub the top surface like this. And go in a circular motion. And whatever's left, lift it up, the majority of the stain, to get it to the top. And then you want to use clean paper towels to get it to the surface. Amazing stuff. Again, I'll put a link in the comment section where you can get them off of Amazon, directly from Amazon. Now I might need to hit this one again. These are all my dirty ones. So basically the stain, it's gone from the carpet to the paper towels. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.